Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Jenkins to deploy to VPS with SSH credentials, detailed guide step by step clearly. To configure Jenkins to deploy to a VPS using SSH credentials, follow these detailed steps. Start by opening your Jenkins dashboard in a web browser. Log in with your Jenkins administrator credentials. Navigate to Manage Jenkins from the left sidebar. Select Manage Plugins to ensure you have the required SSH plugin installed. In the Available tab, search for the Publish over SSH plugin. If it's not installed, check the box next to it and click on Install without restart. Return to the Manage Jenkins page once the installation is complete. Now, select Configure System. Scroll down to the section labeled Publish over SSH. Enter the details for your VPS. Provide the hostname or IP address of your VPS. Input the username you will use to connect via SSH. If you're using a private key for authentication, paste it in the corresponding field. Alternatively, you can provide a password for SSH access, but using a key is more secure. You may choose to tick the Use Password Authentication option if required. Enter the remote directory where you want to deploy your files on the VPS. Configure any additional options according to your needs, like clean remote before transfer or execute command. Save your changes by scrolling down and clicking on Save. Go back to the Jenkins dashboard and create a new job for your deployment. Select New Item from the left sidebar. Choose Freestyle Project and enter a name for your job. Click OK to proceed. In the job configuration, scroll down to the Build section. Click on Add Build Step and select Send Files or Execute Commands over SSH. Choose the server configuration you added earlier from the drop-down menu. Specify the source files you want to transfer to your VPS. Enter the destination directory on the VPS in the Remote Directory field. If you want to execute commands after transferring files, use the Exec command field. Here, you can specify any commands that need to be run after the transfer. Scroll down to the Post-Build Actions section if you need to add more steps. Click Save to finalize your job configuration. Now, return to the job you just created and click Build Now to test the deployment. Monitor the build progress in the build history on the left. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.